beton taxi, immediately, made scan say me go Germany. In one I because taxi in Nigeria for about 14 days.
Yeah, my people, as you already know, our aim is to create content to educate, inspire, and also to entertain you. So today we have our father here, Mr. Labi, Wabubra, the Baji Adventure one home, and one chain. Nema oye ya, ebo anu wabrabom, and nema oye ya, one moon say, why, na ye you pay banso, and they are 2 young folk. Poppy, Michelle.
You, me also.
Alright, but on the start your comments, baby. What started a brabo? Yo, but yeah, who school is animal.
Yes. You, me did the Isaac Kwekulabi.
Okay.
You mo edukum akwapema.
Okay.
Na school ameko ene wa he edukum Methodist primary school.
Alright.
If you ena meko boarding Presbyterian boarding school. I ne friend Salem.
Okay. Say EduTech.
As say EduTech.
Sure.
Tinyamia do me fear EduTech na me city for common entrance those days ena meko secondary school as a senior high school.
I don't know for
edukum nifa secondary school. Until me school, no me school 79. 1979.
I won't cry.
I know, I go through it. I decided, say, Meko University.
Okay.
Meko Akra, Koshe, Sani Abrabonity, Nini na Imwana.
Is it Okaka no koye adwuma ho no na say?
I na me wo. In fact, me ko school nyina no na me very very enterprising. De bia me pese me ye adwuma. Oh, na in fact, finally na papa e wo cars be bre. School time kra e makwan a na ye boa drivers no.
Oh, okay.
E mu na me hu aka.
Tell na we ye bibi kakra o ana.
Oh yes, nyame adom. Enti me hu aka na to na bi kra e makwan me de car ni bi. Se driver ni bi yare a me tumi e de car ni bi kwa adwuma na de ade. Enti no man and me decided say no driving a Jumana me pay. Because me hear something bigger. I want to be bigger than what I see my father doing. Eti me to taxi. Yes, me mu car na Jumana mu na me call taxi. Be na say me saving kakra na me run it papa say me manage me papa car no.
Okay.
You do baby no na or the confidence level no about high. Into say me check it out for and say yes, for nema we say all those things it's not mommy boutique kakra.
That's that time wa kwakra na bana say na nkwakra na.
Na me kwakra na
Okay.
Enti enimu na me nyes kakra. Ti me nyes kakra na me dey call high band be na those days na 2 leading bands in Ghana. Back here Sapes ni military band.
Okay.
Amo Bob very popular pa mulira and sami na classic handles omunyi kantana Papa Yanks omunyina wo typical high Sapes edo mo by dukro on the 31st December.
Okay.
Ite ho ne boma me ba nipa fie buru nanti ye say they were so surprised say on the 31st December Sapes being the leading band in Ghana they betimi enya band no dia ba akuapema dukro so te ase nti manipa ba ya munyame adom skaka kraba
me no omo buy no o ye na like close area oje.
Oh yeah, there wo. Yeah, Jiffy, yes, there wo. Baby wo. Old police station across opposite.
Okay.
Near community.
Yeah,
I hold on here. The one here Until close area, until people have to pay and get inside.
So and the time I was young, we shall mindset
business. Eti me who's kaka krano. Na me koto taxi. Na me sisa o lend into so. Na me to taxi.
Then times auto taxi no ya.
Me to no be 400 cities. And then maybe about 40 million, what do you call it, Yeah, 400 cities. And me to taxi, Me rani kakana so there be me person me taxi ni be me juma. Ti me one of the boss, And I me kwa Accra. Nti me kwa Accra na mu ana me na me pe connection da kwa bruchiri. Enti Saturday at the same time, so now me call 6 form classes for Accra West Africa Secondary School. Normally day evening classes be for those who wanted to go to 6 form. If you are not grade, and your papa do you want to better it before you can nti mu ana menya connection bi say ebekɔ Germany ɛna me de beton taxi no immediately na me de sika no yɛ me de kɔ Germany emu ana me kɔ stuck wɔ Nigeria for about 14 days na di pa
One by air and
me kɔ by air through Nigeria because now I mean kita visa nti me ntimi go through her but Nigeria dey so do you know airline be we can go without visa things like that go to ya and we did all that and then nyamiadom after 14 days in Nigeria no I find my way na me enter into West Germany Germany no nleja be could do all na abi de me ho bo Ghana fo bi o mo dada
now obusan bi wo on man na say
obi ani ho I one day I said
take a risk
I take the risk see one thing I've seen say you know if you see if you want to be a champion you have to make sure say you take risk
sure
what you say I also take risk because do not be afraid to say who take risks but you have to think about the way the options then make sure say this will benefit you
sure
what you say and even after if it didn't go well you try so what you say you
become
there's no harm in trying also over there over here baby I'll see if you make an attempt and you didn't succeed the crowd you become somebody that people can come to you for advice because you have been there before
you
have the experience and to me taking risk go Germany and because to young men be Ghanaians ye dey o boy ye ho na fe ye pedjuma emu na chese ikonya adwuma na ikonya wo afum baby nti na wo say ye toka na ye den ide bia ye de eko
ba mincho no then time o plan is oboko Germany o parents anka se men kwa na say
na me parents no me kwa akra mo pese meko o ti ase o so mi na mo train na me to me bo na de ba so me hwe enema me to me bo kusi da bai so ti ase because na obehwe na say me na fo say we ko Europe we ko say o ti ase omo bi ko university so me hwe na abrabo no na I start bi enti I took my time pray me Bible pa enti I spent about 21 days in prayer and I believe that anytime you prayed what you said then you have to take an action every action that I took was after prayer so either God will give me a signal and now say I should wait when I don't feel like making a move I feel that God is telling me to wait but sometimes I will have the energy to say no you gotta go that feeling when that feeling comes I know God is in control and to be connected to Germany to be called Germany fortunately yɛkɔpɛ adwuma yɛkɔpɛ ne pɛka bi atɔ enti yɛn nyinaa de gye sika ne about 12 people ɛbɔ mu ɛna yɛkɔtɔ car no na me na menim driving na mede bɛyɛ sɛ bi a $300 ɛhyɛ me those days $300 maybe 3,000 now it's a lot of money what I say enti yɛkɔyɛ no so yɛkɔdɔ hotel bɛyɛ 2 days na menya me nua Ghana ni bi ɔmo wɔ baabi yɛkɔdɔ ɔmo nkyɛn enti no na so mo no mo educate yes obey say omo church akwa ni nyina ukọ ha ofa akọ so ko pa adwuma they gave us all that directions that we able to to break through enti ye adwuma ye gada ye ho ye koto car na wo say ye pay driver na me na minimum driving
sure
Lord and behold no minya Ghana license wa ha what I say me talk car na me drive enti me the license na shame ho those days who could a Ghana license for Germany but I converted German license and I did that I had German license the nipa by 15 when I'm driving and then upon the afedi pano near Kofum near Kotiti as I said German people be part to say kwadu I'm the deep pano and I don't know kwani be here into no per workers and you the my ya titi as ni na ya butro the tree of boy to say at times a phone on the case by say be a kugina. Oh yeah. I'm farmers there. They use tractors and all that. So it's a year Jumasa be 2 years. Until after that, let me sister will my brother will US. Let me sister will London. Until I have an option either to go to London or to go to US. Then how do I go? Till me catch my sister say, German, I don't like it because I can see the future. They say it's not in Germany. What I say because life in Germany no yeah a little bit say you get the money what to name away all those kind of
But
things.
before Obra US,
Mm.
we sister no.
London.
Yeah, so why didn't you? Person could have been someone move back home before going to the London?
Before going to Germany,
Yeah, yes.
because not no more.
Oh,
What
okay.
I say, what try so no betre, me betre
So you decide to take your own risk.
yes.
Okay, yeah,
What I say,
now, sure.
in life, it's good to take a risk, but then you have to weigh the options. So what I say, weigh the options. If you're taking a genuine route now, I advise you to go ahead and go.
Sure.
So what I say, and if you know, so be willing to humble yourself till you get to the point.
Sure.
So what I say, and then you for now. I'm Brazilian,
And
I would say, no, a champion. But without the cross, you cannot become, Christ. But Christ went through the cross. You didn't. Suffer to gain. So what I say, you have to go through something, to have a track record. You look back and say, wow, this is what you have done. And me feel Germany, now me catch my sister. Fortunately, now my sister here, London post office.
okay.
And at that time, he was able to get me pictures command. No, yeah, London, laissez passer near traveling documents be and your passport, but it's Uber to make it now their travel. And he was able to do that for me.
Okay.
So what I say, for the bread, with that, I can even go to US, go to maybe I said that British what you don't need if the British documents who need visa to go to US.
Okay.
What I say, it me mass or not sending me ticket and everything, and I'm going to call US. And the US is where the whole game plan started. We do US, now my brothers will go. Much about 20 years, 30 years, not the day.
And I'm quite actual.
Because I'm quite go school na imagine say my baby school akọ we nyina na ma ko Germany masa akọ ti omo ho ti me koye no omo advice me tombo bibia ya botre na de ade me tombo be 1 year 2 years de bia na tombo na so dewe nkrofo yi fa Europe kakra until say me use Europe experience nti me catch him brother say I want to move from na you Washington DC no Chicago me brother no Chicago anti me brother student nyina eti me decided say me come cousin bi ho e Washington DC. Also at then I'm so I want to go there. We say we no bra na yire na mutia. De bia no mutumi express ho papa. You want to make sure say te me kro mo na me call Washington DC. Me call na me call to me cousin bi. E friend kwamna na me for the crazy. We are friend. Oh come say I had the opportunity no ha. It's hard work and prayer. Enti me so na me prayer. Until me hard work no so. And more na yes, but first a job me kunya ye, dear a lot of coin. Na me ko a juma beba na me bra, but so na hona mina ye ya. But we should na Ghana tie na we two coin wa famu. Like I said, then we soroko.
That's it.
I did that for 6 months.
Okay.
Then I told myself, no, I can't do this. Mr. Abraham. Eti nam Washington manpower those days section de ma me no e book te na
yeah sure
sebi utafra che ye say anya kura we ma but ye no kura na bi stro kura eti me kokro na me na me pajuma na me konya adwuma ne ye transportation industry ero ne ye ne say e jufo dwuma fe no what's the name of this company? I've forgotten. I'll get the name.
All right.
Because I apply for a Jumano as a driver. Okay. Now, say be hotels. So you was there. Go no so soon.
Sure.
It is say Washington DC say there be a hotel akese building akese. So be ban over hotel and also restaurants we did here. No the key amma valet no way anymore. Now I call park car no. We the ticket. Into bar not the ticket na bro. Wako faka na ba. Nti me ko wura sa adwuma ni so not driving adwuma na e me fam dada. Nti me year no adopa na me ko school so nwumere. Ende fam o. Hwe adopa be say 8 I say me do adwuma. What I say na ma pon be 5. The class start be 5:30. Na ma pon be 8:30. I did this thing for 4 years.
Wow.
College. Enti me wie no, na fe adwuma no omo ma me position. Me be ye PRO. It's a big company. PRO me picture bo ase ho, me kwa me be see mo de a kire. Omo position ko na fe adwuma no obia bo me din Isaac to say na so they gave me PRO. I supervise over 1,500 people. Abrofo na ni nyina na ye obrase na hard work, dedication. So what you say, obi na car ko park obi agency ka kase. What you say? Na my friend say my packet car we nipa sika say the gym. We about $5,000. Oh, yes, okay. Near Freddy who nipa kono. Well, but that who those? Oh, fine. Then those kind of things, them have a lot of recommendations. What I say, and the company didn't hesitate to cross your mommy a PRO position, To me, enough me supervisor above we be more conversing about Joe Humi now. Some pay for Jumum. Mempewa, you can be Mempewa Mepamo. Regardless of you, we do a bit of Radiado and near Mototoso.
Sure.
So I say, and I have 1,005 people working under me. Did not be yet. I'm coming from a rubber body because I there's so much to say. Mempo, what I say, time I say, 8 hours, no, my boy 4 hours, we are come 80. A Juman Kosoa family, a Juman for 14 years. Yeah.
Into worry or Hannah say,
Certain Jana or Lindy Yambe, maybe video 80. A boo on the moons every day. My catch a catcher, two feet. A brutal tono to say, yes, a Ghana cash now the kutu fee. Unya be about 10,000 bia. Now credit a year, credit say, Ibia, what free idea, what you aka, what free idea, what you aka, what free idea, what you aka. Sa records in your here. Nti unye sika
you have
all that records because if you say credit card abochi bibia bia no pempi no use cash credit card mu se market ko na me kwa nyema me fegyina me credit card na maro no to those records nyina no is there in the system America bibia the shame ni ebope information nyina be a woti be a wo ejuma ipaban a wo ye ni nyina they look up to those things, who nipa we
sure.
Those records, and I'm going as me to die me who. The die no ne minya sika kakra to ase. The die na mama. We minya die no. Na fe me nko a me ko djuma be ba na fe na me junso na be fe de sa ware be. Na me wo me ayi girlfriend bi ono so London.
Ba o fi Ghana ko no nju bi ya wa ha o she na bo bi.
Na me na me ipa about my show bi abo. What you say? Now many guests be ho 1-2-1-2.
Now I didn't know say you are taking this step.
These steps no, they didn't know. Okay. What happened is me do Germany no. Oh yeah, now me catch it up from where I want to be able to establish myself and send my link me home until my sister no and I'm a friend 1 or 2 be peda me no more communicating. Until a manner nanka and can say me worry more worry what you say. The way me do US now me connect you my worry so any problem obia you know nyanya anka because obia say America eti emu na me ba Ghana so that no me nya me nkrata okay nkrata ni nya mo no me kan sem kakra wo ho na during those days we are near
wo dan wie na oba Ghana
me to me dan wie no e da fe me nya nkrata no political asylum Reagan time no political asylum for obi a wa try wa check akra utumi wo kire ba bia wa ye adwuma wo tuatua wo taxes na dey the documents nyina akra etimi ye krata ma o ni bi na minya advantage na me ye dey nya krata be the one minya American krata green card no those days and atodai they just say krachi okay me so na peka me pe Benz parties kan kakra ba no we can't be trying the Benz. What you say? Never we have Benz and made because I can't be paper. Partly because we tried Germany kakra and I saw how the quality at German for cars now the identity. I fell in love with say Eti me ba Ghana me hwe mba ni ma na okabinya ba ku bi. Unfortunately my sister kitu ebi no introduce no ma na ankoyi me ba na take kakra.
That's that time na Ubaga na wadi be
I left home at the age of 19 years. Me ba ne me kuja 11 years ansa na me ba.
You left Ghana age of 19. Child.
Yes. Me kuja 11 years ansa na me ba, so you can add up to it. Me di 31 19 plus 11 about 30.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, 30 years. Eti me hu oba no na me se me war no. Ebisa na se kra, but me be kono na BBC ye. Em say cash bi asem 100 ni ye. Me try ni bi 100 ni ye. Na me say no, this girl no me dey kwa brochi a obe ha adwen. Nti we so ye ade a adesuama mba amasusu no. Uta obema pese obe try, pese obe waro a, pese who the way you handle yourself. Who obema be say dey jeja ne bi oku ani de ma no afa who feel what you say. All ka hwe nkyerɛ, but ono na dwemu de onum say wo nya the right person. Nti no so ekwa futu ma ye nwan mo ma ara say no mu be ma they the upper hand no the upper so audit ben no obe try somehow. I was so nya botre what you say, be very transparent, be very truthful, be very honest. Na embre no so a ekwa ne bebue what you say na minya nkrata be minya nkrata no na me say no adwuma me ye ma brofo no me ameti ma ye what you say because after ni ma give fame afa Maryland, Washington DC, Virginia, Nyobia, Isaac. Ko abrofo no bi before no nyina de o ka se ba na fe me Pierre me na me direct. E bia boys no be fa ka so mo ko park ya na se limousine no mo de kwa after no akonya accident. Bibi e be si bia me na wo se me ko na me ko make sure say bia wo na ebje wo car na me work de konya accident a. I say me ba na me rent car mawo me free office me ye bibia I mean between the customer and then the office. It became so popular. After 11 years, I mean, no more juma no. They decided say no, juma we my ya obi anyim. Ade na mente me ho.
Yeah, after say oba Ghana now.
Me koye no. So te ase me me koye juma kakra na fe me te me ho. Me te me ho na me bue me am ko I'm very parking garages. No mu na me that me start employer. At one point I became about 40 workers. I say a month, let's get good account close to about $50,000. Juma ya ye. To a Canada, they are na jaka kebia kama obra. Na fe me yes say no fe de me worry. Na the linky gay be London. Obaye, Queen Cynthia, very beautiful girl. Na me worry no.
So black and I say
black. You gonna or you gonna need black. The worry na me adom ye wo mami esa.
okay.
Zaida, Labi, Andrew Labi and Peter Labi. Eti na fe 9/11 by but see I say Arab be the plane. It be at the crash of America those days, do that time, World Trade Center, don't smashing in maybe collapsing in business, because the kind of business I mean, is customer oriented service. Which I say customer no ba omo ko didi na park omo car, omo ko baby na ni nyina na ehwe omo car no so baby e park maybe dani si work bi da ba ko be say fitia aseri nyina ya parking. So ti ase nti ujira ni wo because somebody be ni ha no oja car na ma no oja key na ma no so ati ticket e dey ma no na part of the ticket no dey to car no so you go like 3 steps down no go walk up parking nti I employ those people during that work nti it became very very enterprising na enema koso kama nti na mostly the name two da metaye me nia sorry na me wadwuma na me ofie. This are my
sorry
life in ya sorry. Me also for gra,
okay.
Na fe de me nya link ti me na me na fofo bi me the amount for be at least be nipa two of America.
Okay.
What I say because na me de me miss ayi to okwa letterhead to okwa me churo invitation ya oko America media adwuma me ye na de ni ti that's other people opportunity.
Okay.
I brought a lot of people out there. So I say, I'm link you, I'm been no more, even Daniel no more, baby, and then Yamiadum, so in your baby, ejina. 18, see, in life, say, already Pejawa, now do baby, no type baby of you. And that is very, very important. Advice a bit mama and you for say, I'm Brazil. Namisuru, what I say, and yet, Daya, okay, baby. And that ye pray on ye ku, ye pray on ye see a quiet, ye pray on a Yamina, I say, Mutre, what I say, for Yensu Yaminsu, Yensu Yami, then the door your home. What I say, there's a need for us, say, me no to, I say, monetary size, I know, on the coins there be, yes the coin. What you say? Say, from an already general baby. Then you look back for where God took you from. Now you will say, I got people will listen to you. Oh, Mamma Bay, Naka, Manamon, Matutu near me, and then rush. To the baby who you feel, my brother, son, no more, and become